If you are wondering if we have fast wireless charging available on the Motorola Edge 70 Pro, then the answer is unfortunately no. So the maximum amount of watts that the phone can use to charge the battery using a wireless charger is 10 or 15 watts. It actually depends on the region. Apparently there are some regional differences, so in some regions if you purchase the phone you should have 10 watts of wireless charging. In some countries it is supposed to be 15, and unfortunately I don't think there is any list of countries, which countries have 10 watts and which countries have 15 watts, or regions in fact. So it seems that the best way to check that information is by going to Motorola's website, where you can just find the phone and go into specifications, and then you should be able to find that out, what is the amount of watts that the phone can use to charge the battery wirelessly. Nevertheless, 10 and 15 watts, in both cases I don't think it can be considered as fast, and I don't think there is any option in settings that is related to increasing the charging speed when charging wirelessly. Usually such things are available in battery settings. There's only the charge boost, but I think it is only working with the cable. So if you charge the phone with a USB cable and the power adapter, of course. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.